without touchpad. So the keyboard look like this design. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to show you Lenovo X1 Yoga keyboard and touchpad, how it looks. This is a model, you can see X1 Yoga. So the keyboard I'm going to show you. This is the keyboard. The full size will come without touchpad. So the keyboard look like this design. I will show you the backside connection. This one is touchpad connection and this one is the keyboard connection, and this one is a biometric fingerprint. This is the model part number, you can see for keyboard. So all the screws, this is the connection also. This model keyboard is 2008 and 2009 model Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Yoga backlight keyboard. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.